Learn how to write a pro se complaint and demand for jury trial against Pioneer Credit Recovery. Not sure how to write pro se complaint and demand for jury trial against Pioneer Credit Recovery debt collector? Choose this template to create the document, then file it with District Court Division you live. Please, follow the link in the description to open the document form. Now, you can start to fill out the form. Please enter the court name you plan to file a lawsuit, an example, Middle District of Alabama. Next, add your first and last name, John Doe. Leave the case number field blank. Again, enter your first and last name, John Doe. Now, add the alleged debt amount you dispute, an example, $100,000. Please add the same amount to the document template requested fields. Choose the document date. Next, enter your first and last name, John Doe. The current address you live. Address line 1. 123 Example Street, Unit 1. Address line 2. New York, New York 12345. Now, enter your phone number, 123-456-7890. And email address you own, example@example.com. Good job, your document is ready. Check your personal information one more time, and click to the Buy button. Proceed with the payment to download and print out the document from your computer. Finally, sign the document in 3 copies, above the line. Now, you can file the document copy with the court. Also, do not forget to fill and file a civil cover sheet and summons in a civil action with the court. We attached these document templates to the video description. Important. Always keep a copy of each document, certified mail receipt, payment receipt for your records. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Looking for a particular document form? Kindly leave a comment below, and we will consider your request. Thanks for watching.